Cooking for me is really my passion. I love to see the color on the plate, especially the design and the flavor. I like to put flavor and I like to try every single things to bring different flavor on it, like to try to bring something new. It's like I'm in love with food, you know. I started first as a kitchen porter, very fast kitchen porter, working, washing dishes, and then I become in love with cooking. I'm in my second year now at LIT. I'm doing Culinary Arts. I really love it, and I really learn many things from the college. This year again, I won 3 awards. My last one was a Chef Island competition in Dublin, and I win the gold medal from there. If I get money or if I get sponsor, I would love to have my own restaurant in the future. That's my plan.